I'm gonna go camping, and I do have this GX470 with a literal bed in it, a whole full bed. But this time, instead of taking the Lexus, I'm taking my motorcycle. And everything gonna go from here on the bike. So we're gonna install it, but before that, let's roll the intro. Well, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, I'm Jafari, and these are my babies. As I mentioned earlier, I do have a GX470 that is camp ready. It literally has a bed, all the things that you need for at least a week of camping in the car already. But this time I decided to take my 2023 Rebel 500 Special Edition SE. And it's a challenge for me because this is all I'm taking versus everything in here. It's a little messy, but as I mentioned, I do have a bed. I have everything that I need for my camp in the car, as well as a stove and everything. But because I like challenges, I decided to go with the bike this time. I got a tent, I got a sleeping bag, I got a sleeping pad, I got a pillow, I got saddlebags, and I'm gonna put everything on the bike. So let's set up a tripod and install everything together to see if we can even fit everything in these two saddlebags. So let me get the tripod first. So I have to install these saddlebag supports on the bike. I don't think it's gonna be too hard, but I haven't done it, I haven't watched any videos. So we're gonna figure them out together as we go. I have a feeling this is a T40, which I'm right, it is a T40. Oh, it's so hard to get these loosened. Let's try this way. Oh, there you go. Got one. Got two. Let's install one side first, and I install the other side, and I'm gonna take away the headache for you guys so you don't have to watch basically both sides. All right, let's hold these off. Stay, good boy. Should be pretty straightforward, not gonna lie. Is it? Yeah, I think so. Why there's a room playing here? Should I use whatever I came with? I think we are already getting into some problems because these definitely need some sort of spacer. They definitely need some sort of spacer. There's no denial that it definitely needs some sort of spacer. There you go. Solid. Solid. There you go. That took for like ever. All right, now gotta loosen this one. Let's try the saddlebags. I have no idea. Oh, there you go. There's a instruction here. Just imagine that this is not gonna work and I actually have to go and take my car with me. That'll be really fun. It's not gonna be fun. Let's spend so much time on this. Of course you're gonna go. There's no way I can't use this seat because this is too thick. I definitely have to put it on the seat. So let's put the seat back. Why do I put myself in situations like this? Why? I guess. Okay, so this goes in here, basically. I guess. Yeah, makes sense. So the Velcros is good. Okay, I guess that's okay for now. That side is secure. Let's secure this side too. Oh, here. I hope there was a better way to secure these. I guess this is the only way you can secure them, huh? Did I just get it? I think I got it. Let's have a little bit of play, which I don't like. I have an idea to make it a little more secure. What if, just what if, let me open this one and this one. This came from here, goes under the seat, right? Then came out. Bear with me. I'm telling you, I have an idea. Then went on this. That's, I think, even more secure. Okay, that I can do. And it goes in here, okay. And this one, how did I do this one? Again, it goes under the seat. Man, I have to be ready in like, what, an hour? Okay, I guess I got it. Let's put stuff in it, see how it looks. Heavy things go first. Okay, that fitted there. Do you think I can put all my sleeping stuff in one? I doubt it. I doubt it. There might be a chance I have to ask some people to help me bring my stuff, which is not how I anticipated this whole thing to be, but there you go, sleeping bag, fitted in another one. Okay, I got all my sleeping stuff ready, which is good. All right, beautiful. Now I gotta clean up, go actually get ready, because we gotta leave in an hour. I did get a windscreen too, but I took it off because it was just not it. It chipped my paint, and basically the wind was getting taken away, the wind from here to here, and then all the wind was buffering in my face, which I don't like. Let's see if this fits. It will fit, but it's gonna be a really tight fit because I want to still be able to put some other stuff in there, like my camera bag and stuff. Camera bag won't fit for sure. Might have to have someone else bring the camera bag. Look at that, it actually fits pretty good. All right, it's like 50 liter. It's pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna go get everything else ready, come put it on the bike, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Useless, but I think I got it. I think I got it. There's nothing dingling down. Nothing is hitting anything. Gonna get my duffel bag with my clothes in. I think I have enough place to put my shoes in there. Yeah, let me do that because I don't want to forget my shoes. And then I'm gonna put everything on the bike and get ready to go. Gotta leave in literally an hour. I have 1 hour to get ready. Let's do it. Finally have everything set up. I got my duffel bag on the bike as well as the saddlebags all set up. It looks pretty good. We are almost ready to go. Getting some last things in the cars. Then I'm gonna get on the bike and head out. If you enjoyed this little video, make sure to smash the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Again, tune in for the next video, which is gonna be the campaign video. And I think with that all being said, as always stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace. my other screw? Aw. Did I just lose one screw? I thought I heard it fall down, but I don't know where it went. Very interesting.